welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video I'm going to do yet another try out new makeup products which I recently got from Amazon and Nykaa as well. And this is all actually the most hyped products, so let's check out if that really does work or doesn't work. So without any further delay, let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you've already done, thanks a lot. And give a big thumbs up if you like my videos. Don't ever forget and watch my videos until the end so that you really get to know the tips and tips and if you really want to buy the product or not. So without any further delay, let's get started. Prime my skin. I actually got the most hyped product, that is the Swiss Beauty Real Base Makeup Base Highlighting Primer, and I do got another primer from Lakme. So these are the two most hyped primers which I wanted to try out from a very long time. So finally, yes, I got my hands on it. Yes, I'm super excited to try this Swiss Beauty because I think almost all of them have spoke about this. This just looks like the strobe cream of MAC, and this one is a color correcting primer because it has a tint in it, and it's a blur perfect primer. This is a moisturizing primer. So let's try out. I'd already tried this product, but I'm really very impressed with the quality, and I surely give the details of the product, that is the quantity and the price on the screen. Do check it out. I would surely explain it once applying this. And yes, I'm going to take one pump. This has a very light golden tint and shimmer in it, so this gives a really glowing kind of primer. I love the consistency and the texture of the product. It really smoothens the skin, and I love this kind of hydrating moisturizing primers. So let's move on to the Lakme one. This is the Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, and like super smooth, and it's super nice canvas to blend any product. I love the texture, but maybe if I apply it directly onto my skin, it may dry a little bit, but avoid using around the mouth area because that's where we have dryness so much. So avoid using there. Otherwise, I think it's okay, and the feel is really good. It's so smooth. I mean, whatever you apply on this would really work so well. It's like, look at that. It just glides. Okay, foundation. I think I got Lakme foundation primer matte. I used it in my previous haul, so this time I did not buy any foundation because I already had much. But I got the most hyped product, that's the Huda Beauty concealer. Oh my god, this was like a dream come true for me. I always wanted to own this product. I really didn't know if I could get my hands on it because it retailed for 2,500 rupees. Yes, 2,500. You heard me right. Okay, we are trying out makeup products which is very affordable at the same time, which has a super good quality. I've never gone above 650 700 rupees in my concealers. I think that's the max. I think that's a good and a pretty decent amount for a commoner or a working class woman or anyone out there to try out products. But for a common person who's not on screen all the time, I don't think it's worth buying a product 2,500 rupees. So I never wanted to buy. Just to feel this texture and consistency of the product, I had to buy this. I mean, okay, so Nykaa had a sale on this product. It was 50% off, so I couldn't resist it. So I finally got that, and really I had a big confusion in the shade, and this is a tad bit darker to my skin, but I can manage. But the consistency of the product, oh my god, I think I've never experienced anything like this before. I'm surely going to try this out, and I really love. Check out the packaging. I used it, so it's a bit clumsy, or else yeah, So it's a normal tube packaging, and it comes with this kind of a stainless steel applicator. There's no brush, nothing. It's a normal stainless steel applicator, but as soon as you keep it here, it gives such a cooling effect. Oh my god, I cannot tell you guys. It's wonderful, it's wonderful. Okay, coming to the product, let me squeeze it off. And yeah, can you see this? Okay, let me come closer, and I'm gonna apply a little more here. Okay, this is the undertone. It has a very dark orange undertone, and I don't really fall into this orange undertone, but for my under eye, I think it really worked well. But it makes my eye look darker, so I should have gone for peanut butter. Okay, let's work with this. I'm going to use a little more lighter concealer to work this. Let's see. But the coverage is unbelievable, unbelievable. So can you see how dark it looks on my skin? So I should have gone for one shade lighter to this. Maybe then it would have really worked. It's okay, we can work this out. And I'm going to use another new concealer which I got from Lakme. So this is a tad bit lighter to me. Let's try out this a bit on this. And this is Lakme Absolute Material Mousse Concealer in the shade Caramel. So this comes with a teardrop applicator, and I'm going to just use this like wherever I applied that, so that it can lighten a tad bit of it. Okay, this has a very nice mousse kind of texture. It's super blendable, and it's time for blending. Let's take this kabuki brush and just blend this in. So I'm not going to use any kind of foundation today. It's just the concealer. The Huda Beauty concealer has a high coverage yet blends like dream, and the mousse is also fine. It really got along with the Huda Beauty to give me that really my skin tone finish, right? Okay, can you see this flawless finish? Oh my god, I love this. There's no foundation at all, but still it has given that flawless look. I'm just in love with this. So I did my brows, and I finished the base makeup. So let's move on to the next product. That's the eye product. So I got this Swiss Beauty eye primer. This is how the packaging looks like, and it's a very transparent cream kind of primer. So I don't know how it will be when you use it above the concealer. So this is how the packaging looks. It just looks like a mascara and something like that, and they do have a normal brush kind of applicator. So I'm gonna just apply this above the eyelids and start off working with the I don't know, it's just Emma has said. So let's move on to eyeshadow. So I got the most hyped Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. I'm in the shade 06. They do have 6 to 7 shades, and this is a 9 eyeshadow. Yeah, this is 06, and this has all of the dark mauve and brown saffron undertones. I love the color story of this product, and they do have 2 shimmers, and all the other are matte. So I do even like that. This can be used even to fill your brows. This is the darkest brown. I do have 2 light browns and a very nice mauve color. I just love this. So I'm really looking forward to try this out, and yeah, let's see. I'm gonna take this color and apply it on the transition. use the dark brown shade over here to give in the outer corners. I'm going to use the same brush because I'm done with it. So I'm going to take a little bit on the inner outer corners and just to give a little definition here. This middle, very nice saffron kind of, shimmer. I don't know if the brush is picking it up. If the brush is not, we will just go with the, it is the Maybelline Colossal liner. This is a felt tip liner. So this is how it looks like, and I will give it on screen. It has a very less number of product, amount of quantity. It has just 1.2 ml of product, and the felt tip of course is a bit lengthy than compared to any other felt tip. But let's see how I can actually, if I can get a wing. Okay, the pigmentation is good. It's matte. So can you see that? Okay. It's finally we got the wing, and it actually dries up pretty quickly, but the finish and the pigmentation and the matte effect is really good. I really love. Maybe if you're not going into too very big wing, I think this can really work for everyday looks. You can apply it as on the upper lash line as well as on the lower lash line. I had a pretty difficulty only at the ends, but otherwise it really glides on, and the felt tip is really nice and sharp, so you can give that very thin liner look also if you would love. So let's move on to our lipstick, the final product. I got the very low cost affordable cosmetic Insight, and it's a non-transfer proof liquid lipstick. This is how the packaging looks like. This is in the shade 20 Insight Royal. So let's see how it looks. I think I have owned it in one of my videos previously. I don't remember what. It's a very nice maroon burgundy kind of color. The finished look, and I think in my last haul also I shared this. This is Insight contour and highlighting stick. I love this. This is a must buy if you want something really handy and with this contour and highlighter. The quality of the contour and the highlighting is both good. Why? Because the contour is a perfect matte creamy contour and the highlighter is a perfect golden shimmer. I love it. This goes really well with the dusky skin. This is for particularly on the medium skin because the contour is not that very dark, but I'm sure it will gonna show off a little, but I love this. So I'm going to use this highlighter and the nose on the cheekbone. And on the cupid bow. So this is the final look. I loved actually more than the camera. The look on real life is like too good. I mean, the eyeshadow has turned out to be super good, and the lipstick is also very matte, non-transfer, very light, highly pigmented. I love the color, but maybe it can dry out after some time, but for now it's like classic, and I love this look. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed, thanks a lot, and give that thumbs up if you like my video. Okay, until next time, Azifia signing off.